Hello everyone, this is Abhijit from Talentious Corner. If you are interested in stock market or you are actively investing in stock market, you might be hearing about Indigo Paint IPO that is coming in month of January 2021. You all may have a question that shall we buy this particular IPO or not? In this video, I am going to share my study on Indigo Paint Private Limited, and based on that, you can decide whether you want to buy IPO or not. Indigo Paint Private Limited was started in year 2000. After 20 years, this is the fifth largest paint industry in India. They started manufacturing lower end cement paints, and slowly they expanded in emulsions, distempers, primers, putties, and they started competing with all other commodities of a paint industry. This was the first company that came with the concept of metallic paint over your wall. So this was the this kind of innovative ideas were generated by Indigo Paints, and that's how they entered in the market. So they developed decorative paints for metal, ceiling, floor, tile, etc. They are manufacturing their product in three facilities in India: Jodhpur, Kochi, and Pudukkottai in Tamil Nadu. Currently, they are serving 27 state and 7 union territories with 36 depots available in India, and they are having 4,296 tinting machines. So paint industries are giving you thousands of seats, and just imagine that there is a dealer. It is not possible for him to when we compare with peers, let's talk about how they are situated in market. So as 2019-2020 data, Asian Paint is having around 70,000 dealers, and they are having 46,000 tinting machines. Similarly, Berger is having around 27,500 dealers with 17,000 tinting machines, and most of them, Asian Paint, Berger, and Nerolac, they are having around 65%. 65% dealers from these companies have their own tinting machine. Coming to Indigo Paints, they are having around 11,000 dealers, and they are having 4,300 tinting machine. That is around 36% dealers are having their own tinting machine. So that is comparison on market bets. Let's talk about finances. So rate of growth of revenue in last fiscal year, Indigo was Indigo was doing pretty good, and they were at 16.59 percentage, and rest of the industries were in minus. When we talk about return on asset, in last fiscal year it was 11.33% for Indigo. Asian Paint was 13.65%. Return on equity, Indigo is on top. It is 24.27%. That is return on equity. And when we talk about operating margin, that is 17.73% for Indigo. One thing that I will like to is pumping a lot of money on their promotional activities, and that is a good thing. So Indigo's in a lot of money that is going in their promotional activities. It is much higher than other industries. Percentage, it is much higher than other industries in same business. So now this company is coming with IPO. So let's talk about what is the current shareholding pattern. So as of now, promoters are having 60% of the shares, investors are having 39% of the shares, and public, the might be, company's employees are having 1% of the shares. IPO will be issued. Promoters will have 54% share, investor will have 28.5% share, and publicly it will be 17.5% share for open market. One thing is that no one is going out from the business. Most of them are diluting their shares and getting some money. So that is the current share pattern and to be share pattern for the company. Now, why this company is raising IPO? So Tamil Nadu facility, they want to go for expansion. So that is one reason they need money for that. Company wants to purchase more tinting machine and gyro shakers. So that is another reason to raise fund. They want to repay or prepay all their certain borrowings. So that is one more reason. When we are talking about borrowing, Indigo is having very less debt from market, and they're pretty good. When we talk about that, they don't have a lot of debt from market, so they are set pretty clean and good on that side of it, and they want to serve their general corporate purpose. So that's why they need money, and these are the four basic reasons company is going for IPO. When we talk about what is the strength with this company, they are the fast growing decorative paint company, and debt is very less for this company. One thing that I will not say that is a risk, but one thing I found that is bit uh, need that was bit one thing that I found it might be a risk, that company's PE ratio is very high. So company is valuating themselves very high at this particular moment. Coming to IPO information, so bidding will be open from January 20th to January 22. IPO price is between 1488 to 1490. Minimum order quantity will be 10 shares. So this is all about IPO. Hope you came to know something about Indigo Paints company. And if you like this video, please like and share with your peers. Thanks for watching the video.